KW Master Barber, universal dialogue where you learn and understand more. Sacrifice. There is no way around sacrifice. You have to embrace sacrifice. Anytime you want to go to the next level in your life, you always have to give up something to get something, to get to the next level of life. Even if you don't want to sacrifice, you have to sacrifice. Even if you're a selfish person, you still got to give up something to get something. Nobody gets everything. Nobody on this planet will receive everything and give up nothing. That's the way it is. That's life. So I advise you to lace up your boots and do what you need to do. Stop complaining, stop whining, and do what you need to do for yourself and for people around you. So may the Lord bless your life. May He encourage you to do more with your life instead of holding on. In Jesus' name, peace.